Welcome to the Connections online tutorial.
This video will cover a basic example of designing a connection in the software. In this example, we will be designing a double top plate splice connection, which could be used as a drag strut connector in a segmented shear wall. First things first, the option to change between unit systems, either metric or imperial, is available in the settings at the top of the screen. Now, let's go to the lapped shear section, wood to wood, and then select nails fasteners in the splice 2 member subcategory. By doing so, you will be redirected to a page where details can be entered for both the wood members and the connectors. Note that if you immediately try to change the nails properties from the scroll down menus, the software will only display the word unknown. Before being able to design the nails, or any connectors, you have to design both the main and side element of the system, which will enable the option to input a factored load. That being said, we will set the properties for both our wood members to 89 by 114 mm of number 2 SPF timber with dry service condition and non-treated. When designing the side member, an additional feature is available, which is specifying the length that the side member will overlap the main member. For the purpose of this example, we will set that length to 1220 mm to mimic the top plate of a shear wall. Once the design of both sides is completed, you have to enter a load in order to start designing the nails. By adding an 8 kN factored load, the software will generate the illustration of the system you are designing. You can view that illustration on a bigger scale by clicking the diagram button in the toolbar. The connection software allows you to leave connectors information as unknown. After running the design and going to the results page, the software automatically generates suggestions on the nail properties in its display based on the load added. As you can see, in this case, the nail length should consist of 127 mm with a 5.89 mm diameter. There should be 2 rows of 3 nails per row with 118 mm spacing within the rows and 59 mm spacing between the rows, for a total of 6 nails. This information is located under the connection data, which displays the configuration of our members. The additional data can be found at the bottom of the table, which contains the adjustment factors and the unit lateral strength resistant values from CSA 086 12.9.4.2. When accepting the design, all of the information that was generated will be transferred in the detail window. By configuring your own connector information and running the design, if the connection detail fails based on the applied factored load, a warning appears in red. Whether the system has failed or not, you can always check the results page to see the total nail capacity versus the total factored load and other useful information that I mentioned earlier.